Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be learning a simple song with My Hands Lifted Up by the Loveworld singers, and I'm going to be playing it in the key of C. Alright, so I would like to use this opportunity to thank my subscribers and those who just joined the channel. God bless you for joining. Keep on sharing, keep on commenting, and then you can reach me anytime that you want for a song request. I'll see to it that I do it for you. Alright, so if you're a beginner and you're going to be joining and you don't understand anything that I will teach, I'd recommend you check into my comment box. I have a link there that will take you to a beginner crash course of 53 videos. Alright, I keep on updating them, and it's a systematic video or videos that I did for beginners, so it will help you so that you can learn the key of C. Alright, but if you already have the basics, I'm going to be playing and then showing you how to play it and follow along. Alright, so the song goes like this. With my voice lifted high to the ends of the earth, singing praise to you, Lord, I bless you, O Lord, forevermore. With my voice lifted high to the ends of the earth, singing praise to you, Lord, I bless you, Lord, forevermore. Alright, so that's the very first verse of the song. So this is how you're going to be playing it. This is your chord 1. So from chord 1 you play a chord 4, then a chord 5, then you play a chord 3. Alright, this is a chord 3. So with the 5 here, the 3 on the left and then the 5, you get your minor 7. Okay, or you could play the E, you make it a major instead of a minor. So you can either choose to play major or minor. Alright, so then this is your chord 6. You can invert it anyhow you want. Alright, so now let me put it together. 1, with my voice, chord 4, lifted high, that's chord 5, to the ends of the earth, singing praise to you, Lord, I bless. This is chord 2. Then you can play chord 3 or forevermore. With my voice lifted high to the ends of the earth, singing praise to you, Lord, I bless you, O Lord, forevermore. Now the second part, I worship you from the depths of my heart. I serve you, O Lord, with all of my soul. I praise you, Lord, forevermore. I worship you, Lord. Chord 4, from the depth of my heart. Chord 5, I serve you, O Lord. Chord 3, with all of my soul. Chord 6, I praise. Chord 2, you, Lord. You maintain the 2 and you play a 5. Forevermore. Now from 1 you move to 4, so you play the G minor 7. Alright, and how you play your minor 7 is by playing a flat 7 chord over a 5. Alright, so it's like with all of my soul I praise you, Lord, forevermore. Oh, 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 oh. I praise you, Lord, forevermore. Alright, so these are the chords you need to know in this song. Your chord 1, your chord 4, your chord 5, then your chord 3, okay, your chord 6, then your chord 2, then 2 over the 5, and then a 1, then your flat 7 over the 5, which is your minor 7 chord before your chord 4. Alright, so that's all for the song. I hope you are able to follow it. It's a very simple song with very simple progression. God bless you. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.